Good morning, it's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Bennington 22SSRXC. This model here is in the metallic white with the blue accent. Tri-tune, of course, with a 150. We'll climb aboard here. This particular model, you've got two forward lounges. Up front, the portable cup holders there you can move and put to the side, storage up under all of your seats, of course. This model typically has the co-captain's chair, but we got a lot of input in 2019 that some customers are wanting this extended bench over here. So we've added the extended bench to a few models. So you got a real long port side rear bench that comes all the way up, even with the driver's captain's chair. You got a nice lounge in the back. This particular model is the Tri-tune. Does have a 150 Yamaha on it, just hadn't been put on yet. Come up to the helm. Got your Garmin in the center, then you got the 3-part gauge on the right hand side. It's got your fuel, volt, trim, RPM and hour meter on the left. I do have a tilt wheel. Nice captain's chair. This interior color is a silver Semtex material with the carbon accent. Try to get you so you can see it in the light there. Again, this is a 2020 Bennington 22SSRX with the extended lounge. If you have any questions, give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.